This Fort Myers stop raises 6 legal issues worth examining under Florida law and federal constitutional standards.
Stay in the car. No. Car. Sit in the car. Floor tag. Sit in the car. Alpha Romeo 02 X-ray Golf. Arrow 02 X-ray white Honda.
Cut it off.
Okay.
That's all he's trying to do.
No, I'm tough.
Yeah?
No, sit in the car.
No, he's telling me turn off the car.
Okay, you need to sit in the car.
Mami, ¿qué dice? Que te tienes que
Sit in the
sentar
car,
el
or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Sí.
Sir. No! 5-7 got the driver running through the Shell gas station. He's running after flea masters. This man is male, black shirt, black shorts. He lost his slides. We're running northbound through flea masters. Stop running! Stop running! Get on the ground! What happened? Give me your hands. Give me your hand! Guys, I have to mold the team. Oh, I'm a Delta 72. Pero for what? For what you stupid. What kind of car was it? Okay. It's a white Hodari sedan. Beat up. The tag is the correct tag. It's supposed to be on the Kia. But they slapped it on the Honda. Huh? There's people in the car? Yeah. There's more people in the car.
You got multiple units running close to you.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm 10-4. All right, stand up. Stand up.
Is it an older model Honda?
Yeah, 10-4. First who's gonna be Alpha Romeo 0. ¿Tú no tienes nada encima de ti? No, tengo my.
Just to clarify,
My lágrima aquí. Papi, ¿me puedes dejar sentarme en el piso? No, vamos a tener el carro. Ok, ¿me puedes dar un poquito de agua? Estoy oficial.
¿Eso es lo que pasa cuando uno corre?
Ok, perdón. ¿Me puedes mojar la cara, papi?
Yo no tengo agua para mojar.
¿No tienes agua, papá? I'm my cigarette.
Sí tiene licencia. So, ¿se corriste por ninguna razón?
Sí, porque ella fue.
Because his wife told him to run.
My wife is in the car.
Stop turning.
No, es move. Papi, ¿puedo coger aire?
No. Yo te abro la ventana.
¿Ah?
Yo te abro la ventana.
Ok, papá. Papi,
Soon after, the man fled on foot. While officers were distracted attempting to apprehend him, the mother of the children took the opportunity to drive off.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! 5-3, I have the vehicle going forward to Douglas. Hands up! Everybody get your hands up!
It's only me.
Okay, get your hands up! Okay, it's just you. It's just you. Okay, okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hey guys, turn your sirens off.
Currently at Ford and Douglas vehicles at gunpoint giving commands.
Ma'am, do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle. Keep your hands up. Step. Tell everybody. The other passenger to keep his hands up.
Just watch crossfire. I'm going to block off the word.
Okay.
Copy, we're facing
That's fine.
south and eastbound.
Turn around from me. Just walk towards me. Just turn around. Keep walking towards me. Keep walking towards me.
Driver stepping out of the vehicle.
Keep walking towards me. Keep walking towards me. You're fine. You're fine. Keep walking towards me. You keep walking towards me. You're good.
Alright, nobody running code at this point.
It's going to be all kids.
Yeah, it's gonna be all kids.
GB5, I'm on you with it now.
Hey, you guys can step out the car.
We have enough units.
5, there's just going to be children in the car.
He's 13, sir. He's 13.
You guys got enough
Okay.
units?
Yes.
Hang out right here with me, okay?
I just want to look at my kids, please.
First, the stop's legality. Whren versus United States holds that any observed traffic infraction supplies reasonable suspicion. Here, a swapped registration plate violates Florida Statute Section 320.261. Whren versus North Carolina further insulates the stop, holding that even reasonable mistakes of fact or law do not invalidate Fourth Amendment seizures. Second, occupant control. Pennsylvania versus Mimms permits ordering a driver from a stopped vehicle, and Maryland versus Wilson extends that authority to passengers. The command to remain seated is squarely within this rule. Third, the foot flight. California versus Hodari D. establishes that flight from a lawful show of authority is itself probative conduct, though seizure is not complete until physical restraint occurs. Fourth, the vehicle flight. Florida Statute Section 316.1935 makes fleeing in a vehicle a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. 4 minors as passengers transforms the analysis, exposing the driver to child neglect liability under Section 827.03 and restraint violations under Section 316.613. Fifth, the resisting charge. Florida Statute Section 843.02 is a general intent crime. Knowing the person is an officer engaged in lawful duty is enough. Departing a lawful detention satisfies the statute, even without struggle. Sixth, force. Graham versus Connor requires objective reasonableness under the totality of circumstances. Officers used only verbal commands and soft empty hand control. The Graham factors flight, unknown threat, active evasion comfortably support the level used. Finally, the consent search. Florida versus Bostick requires voluntary consent under the totality of circumstances. The mother's affirmative response, given without coercion, validates the pat down.
Okay, just
Touch me. Go ahead. I just want to see.
okay. Calm down, okay?
Why? What is going on?
Okay, we'll explain everything to you in a second.
Yes.
Just hang out, okay?
I just want to look at my kids, please.
Okay, who's in the vehicle with you?
My kids.
Just the kids?
Yes, yes.
We have enough
Can you
units.
please take
Okay.
them?
Okay.
Can you let me see my
Okay.
kids? That's
Officers
it.
Give us a second, okay?
Okay.
How many kids are in the vehicle?
4.
Okay.
Ay, mira. I can't be close to them at all?
Just hang tight right here, okay? They're still trying to figure everything out.
Hold them, mami. Aguántalo. Aguántalo. Don't let it go in the road. Can they call my mom for just in case? You got your phone, papi? Oh, he can grab his phone.
Just give them a couple minutes. like
Hold
I said.
Aquiles, por favor. Oh my God, the baby got autism, please.
Okay.
I don't want him
They're okay right there.
if you can, cut off the switch.
What's up?
To cut it, he's asking how to turn it off.
Yeah, how do you turn it off?
Cut the switch on the bottom. My son can help you if you guys allow him.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
All right. Do you have any family that can take care of the kids?
I'm for my mom.
Your phone in the car?
My phone? Yeah.
You have a
everything's in
license?
the car. Me? Yes.
Your mom?
Oh, yes.
Is that who's coming? Who's
Yeah,
who's
you
they
call
coming?
Tita again? Call her again. Am I being arrested?
So unfortunately,
Arrested?
yeah, you have no license. Your license is not valid.
¿Tú hablas español?
I don't speak Spanish, but I
No
speak
puedes
English. You speak English perfectly.
I do, pero
You're understanding just fine. Listen to
You
the
don't have a
officer.
license. Your license isn't valid. Okay? Plus, it's
Why?
out. I don't know why.
Yeah. Está cortado.
no, pero eso está cortado, eso fue a mí. Yo tengo el otro pedazo, eso fue a mí que se me
License is
rompió.
not valid. I'll look into it to see exactly why, but your license is not valid. Okay? Plus, you got kids in the backseat of the vehicle that don't have proper restraints.
Yes,
So you're going to get tickets for that as well. Okay? And then you're probably going to get hit with resisting also because an officer does a traffic stop, your boyfriend, husband, baby, dad, whoever takes off running, and then you get in the car and you decide to leave.
I was nervous. I didn't know what
So
else
you don't
to
leave a
do.
When an
traffic
officer
stop.
does a traffic stop, the car stop. The car and all stop. The car and all the occupants are detained and not free to leave. You leaving is resisting that officer's authority. Okay.
I didn't know that. I wasn't driving.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
No.
Do you want to search it?
Yep, I got it. Alright, come stand right here. Face the car. You don't have anything on you that's gonna stick me quickly, hurt me?
No, I don't.
Keep facing the car, okay?
I'm sorry. That's my bro.
Yep. I'm just gonna shake it out. Alright, face the car. Spread your feet a little bit more for me.
I'm sorry.
Alright, nothing I didn't find? Okay, because it's an extra charge if we get to the jail and it's you got something on you.
My kids.
You gotta wait, okay? Take a seat and they'll let you at the end, okay? Take a seat.
Fort Myers officers receive a B+. The stop was airtight, force was minimal, and post-arrest handling the crossfire call-out, trauma-informed tone, and family-sensitive accommodations reflects current best practices. The grade does not reach an A because scene control before contact was insufficient. With multiple occupants and a flight risk indicator, a single officer at the driver window left the male subject free to bolt. The mother receives a D+. Driving away with 4 minors aboard exposed her to felony fleeing and potential child neglect liability. Her stated nervousness is not a defense under the resisting statute's general intent standard. She earns partial credit for full compliance after the high-risk stop, voluntary consent, and consistent prioritization of her children. That cooperation is the only reason the grade is not failing. The male subject receives an F. Fleeing on foot from a lawful stop has no constitutional protection. His decision directly created the conditions for the second flight, multiplying risk to officers, the public, and his own children. 2 practical lessons emerge from this footage, one for parents and one for officers. For parents stopped with children in the vehicle, never flee. A traffic ticket costs dollars, a fleeing arrest costs custody. In Florida, both parents being arrested triggers Department of Children and Families intervention, and minors enter emergency placement until a verified caregiver assumes custody. The downstream cost DCF case files, dependency hearings, and possible foster placement vastly exceeds any original infraction. The constitutionally correct response is to remain in place, stay silent, and contest disputed issues later in court. For officers contacting vehicles with visible occupants and a flight risk indicator, assume a second flight is possible. Pre-position a partner before contact, identify minors immediately, and have a Department of Children and Families notification protocol ready before any arrest decision is made. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.